Happy morning, students. Now in this video I am going to again discuss a board model question from your textbook. The question is, students, what is meant by water of crystallization, and explain that the crystalline salts contain water of crystallization. First of all, whenever we are going to give the answer, we have to think what is water of crystallization. That means the definition of water of crystallization. So what we have to write? Water of crystallization is defined as the fixed number of water molecules associated with one formula unit of a salt. Let us give one example also. Example, CuSO4.5H2O. We can also say Na2CO3.10H2O. So students, what the definition is? Water crystallization is defined as the fixed number of water molecules associated with one formula unit of a salt. Here copper sulfate, 5 molecules of water of crystallization is associated with one formula unit of the given salt, that is copper sulfate. So the name is copper sulfate. We can write the name pentahydrate. Pentahydrate. The name is copper sulfate pentahydrate. Here it is Na2CO3, sodium carbonate. 10 molecules of water of crystallization is associated with one formula unit of the given salt, that is sodium carbonate. This is also called as washing soda. Students, this is the formula also for the washing soda. Now it is called as sodium carbonate decahydrate. Now what happens? It has been said to explain that the crystalline salts contain water of crystallization. When copper sulfate pentahydrate is heated strongly, it loses 5 molecules of water of crystallization. Let us give the equation CuSO4.5H2O. When it is heated strongly, what happens? It forms CuSO4 plus 5H2O. This 5 molecules of water is liberated, and formation of anhydrous copper sulfate takes place. Now students, this color was blue color. This is blue color. And what is the color of copper sulfate? That is anhydrous copper sulfate. Anhydrous copper sulfate is white in color. What is the color? It is white in color. White in color, that is anhydrous copper sulfate. Now if we add water to this anhydrous copper sulfate, again it changes to blue color copper sulfate pentahydrate. Now again if I give, suppose if I am providing CuSO4 plus H2O, I am giving 5 molecules of water of crystallization to it. Now it is again turning to CuSO4 dot 5H2O. Again the color changes to blue. This was your white color. This was your white color. Again gets changed to copper sulfate pentahydrate, that is blue color. So what we see, students, कि whenever we are heating any of the hydrated salt, first it loses its water of crystallization, the color changes, and again when it is subjected to water, or if water is added to the anhydrous salt, here I have taken the example of copper sulfate pentahydrate, when it was heated strongly, it liberated 5 molecules of water crystallization and turned to anhydrous copper sulfate, which was white in color. Now this copper sulfate that was anhydrous white in color, when it is subjected again to water, it gets back its 5 molecules of water crystallization and turns to blue color, that is copper sulfate pentahydrate. Students, hope the discussion has given you a lot of information. Thank you.